Hey, hello. Happy Wednesday, everyone. So, this is a recap of the pretrial conference in the Jared Leisek case. So, Jared Leisek is the founder of AWP, Adventures with Purpose. He has been charged with one count of child R. And today was the pretrial conference. So, preliminary hearing happened at the end of December. Today was a pretrial conference to set the trial date, and that is what they did. So today, the trial or the pretrial conference started at 1:18 Utah time or Manti Utah time, and the judge was present, and the two attorneys for Jared Leisek were present. Jared Leisek was present, and several other people were in there, but it was in the WebEx. Okay, so the judge reminded everyone, please do not do any screen grabs, no recordings, and it's against Utah law. So hopefully nobody did that. And if definitely no streaming or anything like that of the hearing itself. And she was very big on courtroom decorum. She wanted to make sure everyone was respectful. Anybody who's disrespectful or unmuting or doing anything disrespectful will be removed. So she has learned the lesson from that the first hearing that we had, where it was pretty much chaos. So she is being really careful of making sure that those mistakes don't happen again. So the trial was set. The attorneys thought that it was going to be about 3.5 to 4 days to 5 days, 3.5 or 4 days to 5 days. And so the trial date for this case was set for September 24th, which is a Tuesday, through September 27th, which is a Friday. And there will be an in-person jury trial. So the interesting thing is that the judge asked how many jurors they thought to have in this case, in this trial. And the defense attorney, Kara Tangaro, said that typically on SEX type cases, usually she asks for 75. And the judge says, well, in this county, they usually have 30. So they settled on 70 jurors that they're going to request. So obviously not 70 jurors will be at the trial, but they're going to do a questionnaire sent out to 70 jurors and get the jury pool as soon, closer to the date, which is in September. The judge did ask her, or the defense attorneys, to prepare the jury questionnaire, and that is for the jury selection process, and it's to be completed 4 weeks prior to the trial. So if the trial is in September 24th, then it would be, required by the end of August. And she did also set a final pretrial date for August 7th, 12:45 Manti, Utah time. And yeah, that will be the final pretrial date, which will be approximately, let's say, I guess that's like 6 weeks prior to the trial. And let's see what else. So she also asked for any motions in limine and any other comments on the questionnaire for the jury to be submitted by that August 7th date. So that's kind of the date that all the final things need to be submitted, so that they have their final pretrial conference and can answer any questions or sort any issues that might come up prior to the trial. And I think that was it. Oh, one thing that was kind of interesting, actually, I wanted to make a note here. I made a note that the reason that they asked for, instead of the 30 jurors jury pool, to ask for 70 is because of, they kept on saying, given the notoriety, given the publicity that might come up, or that has come up from this case, that they're going to have a larger number of jurors to select from. So that's it. Again, sorry I disabled the chat, but I know sometimes there are some, just kind of gets a little drags on, and I just wanted to get this out as quickly as possible. So to recap, trial will be set for September 24th through September 27th. It'll be an in-person jury trial, and they'll begin the selection process of the jurors a few weeks before. And yeah, that's it. And final pretrial date on August 7th. So if anything comes up, that was it. I took pretty lot of notes. And if anything else comes up, I'll look at the documents in the next coming days to see if there was anything else that was filed on this case. And of course, between now and the next pretrial date that's set, August 7th, something could come up. So from time to time, I'll be checking just to see if there's anything else that pops up on this case. But that's it. Trial set September 24th. All right, everyone. Thanks for being here. I appreciate you. And any other updates, I'll let you guys know. All right, everyone. Bye. Oh, I always forgot. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate you if you do. Empowering survivors, we try to be a voice for the voiceless and really help people get their survivors, in particular, get their power back. And yes, and if you want more updates on this case and other true crime cases, please subscribe to my channel. And with that, I will bid you adieu. Bye-bye.